Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you 3 simple beautiful crochet borders that are perfect for finishing your projects. We'll be crocheting them directly into this ready-made garter stitch scarf. Let's pick up your hooks and get started. Yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1. Insert your needle to the next chain space, pull up a loop and twist your hook. Then yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert your needle to the next space, pull up a loop, twist again, yarn over and pull up another loop. Repeat this simple sequence for as long as you need. The stitch is very simple to do, but yet it looks very intricate. Watch me to crochet a few more stitches before we will move on to a different edge. Also, to start, you can do as I am doing and just carry your tail inside the border so you don't have to take care of it later on. Or you can leave it and just using a darning needle hide the tails after you're done. Let me know in the comments which method do you prefer, and also let me know if you would like me to show it to you. The next one is a faux blanket stitch edging. It's a clever crochet border that mimics the appearance of hand sewn blanket stitch using basic single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1 and a single crochet in the next available stitch. In this variation we will crochet 2 single crochet in 2 stitches, one next to each other, and the third one we will go to one below, so a third one will be longer. Just have a look. 2 single crochet stitches next to each other, and third one will go a little bit long, it will be a longer stitch. Let's do a few more rounds before we will move on to the next and the last stitch. Wrap decrease stitch, also known as mount stitch and textured ridge stitch. Pull up a loop and chain 2. Then pull up a loop, form 2 chain spaces, and yarn over and pull up a loop through all stitches on a hook. Yarn over, insert hook around 2 single crochet together and pull up a loop through all stitches, and repeat the sequence. Pull up 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches, yarn over around 2 single crochet stitches, pull up a loop and just pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. It might seem tricky at the beginning, but once you've done it a few times, it will be a lot easier, believe me. Let's repeat it together a few more times. If you enjoyed making these borders with me, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more peaceful crafting tutorials. I've also linked a few more videos of the beautiful crochet borders in the description below and just after this video, so you have even more choices for your next project. Thank you so much for watching and happy stitching.